Then we have to go in to find out what is action. Is there an action which doesn't create conflict, in which there is no regret, which under all circumstances, whether it's when we live in a poor society or an affluent society, it has action that must be always correct. To find that out, one has to go into the question of what is actual action is now. Is either idealistic action, future, or action based on past memories, which is knowledge, or is there an action independent of the future of time? That's the whole point, isn't it?
Well, we can't stop time in its tracks. It rolls on.
Time, as by the watch, by day, it goes on. But is there psychological time, inward time? Not, there isn't. We have created that cycle.
So it seems then that whatever the thing is, it is complete and instantaneous.
Yes.
It is not something you can build up layer by layer.
Absolutely not. Illumination is not a gradual process. Yes. Then it is not an illusion. It is not enlightenment. Because you allow time, gradual becoming something.
You know, in this context, I would like to ask you this. You have a school here. What do you teach the children? What do you teach the children? If you can't build this up for them, for any of us, old or young, I presume, what do you teach?
The academic subjects.
Yes, but in these areas.
Of course.
How?
Also point out all this. How to live correctly. What it means.
Well, you see, philosophers throughout the ages have discussed that very point, how to live correctly. What is correct living, right living, as Socrates called it?
That's right living.
And can you teach that?
You can point out. You can say, don't be a slave to society, don't be this and that, but you have to show it, point out. It's up to them.
But can we live in the real world that we do live in which we have to catch trains and go to offices and buy bread in the shop?
Yes, sir, I've done all those.
How can we combine all the pressures of the mundane
I don't admit
around
pressure.
us?
I wouldn't do anything under pressure.
You wouldn't? I wish I
refuse. No, both intellectually and psychologically, I refuse to be under pressure. I don't mind starving, I don't mind having no job, but I refuse to be put in that position.
But you see, this is really what I meant when I said, what is the secret? Because you say you will never be put under pressure.